Aluminum window frames corroding in coastal environments is a serious headache, but you can totally prevent it with the right corrosion-resistant finishes. So, when you're dealing with aluminum window frames near the coast, salt and moisture are constantly attacking your windows, right? The first thing you want to do is pick a finish that's designed to handle salty air, like anodized or powder-coated surfaces. They create a tough barrier against corrosion. Make sure to clean your frames regularly with fresh water to wash off any salt buildup, because salt just loves to cling on and cause rust. You can also apply a clear sealant over the finish for extra protection. It's like giving your windows a raincoat. If you spot any chips or scratches in the finish, fix them fast so the bare metal isn't exposed to the salty environment. It's smart to choose aluminum frames with built-in corrosion resistance if you're building or replacing windows near the ocean. Ventilation around the frames helps too, since stagnant, salty air makes corrosion worse. Lastly, keep an eye on your windows during inspections and maintenance to catch any early signs of corrosion before it gets out of control. One of the biggest problems with aluminum window frames in coastal areas is not using corrosion-resistant finishes, which leaves them vulnerable to salt damage. The fix? Always opt for anodized or powder-coated finishes designed for salty environments. Another common mistake is ignoring regular cleaning. Salt builds up fast and eats away at the metal, so rinse your frames with fresh water every few weeks. A third issue is neglecting small scratches or chips in the finish. Those spots become entry points for corrosion, so patch them up quickly with touch-up paint or sealant to keep your windows safe. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle coastal corrosion problems properly. At the same time, it helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who need experts for home improvement projects like corrosion-resistant window frame finishes.